All right. Okay. I think we're at a point in the problem set where we're starting to really have an application to this. And remember, I really shouldn't be using decimal numbers in a Diophantine equation. So I'm going to be talking about not the decimal number, but the money in pennies. And that'll be 715. And that's why you see that there. And they're talking about 50-cent pieces, 25-cent pieces, and 20-cent pieces. All right. Now, whether you realize this or not, I haven't seen a 20-cent piece in my lifetime, but I guess at one time in U.S. history there was a 20-cent piece. So what I said was X is the number of 50-cent pieces, Y is the number of 25-cent pieces, and Z is the number of the 20-cent pieces. And I kind of wrote that money equation down, and this is this over here, all right? And then it goes on to say something else, by the way. It says over here, so that twice the number of 50-cent pieces plus the twice the number of 20-cent pieces, we'll have to keep reading that, shall exceed the number of 25-cent pieces by 31. So that's written over there. So I realize people looking at it and saying, what do you want me to do with that? Well, I would eliminate, something from that problem. And whether you eliminate X, well, you could eliminate X, Y, or Z, right? What would be the easiest one to eliminate? Let's take a look at that. I gotta be careful. I gotta think which one to eliminate. I'm gonna do it differently than them. I'm gonna eliminate the Z's. I'm gonna multiply the second equation by minus 10. And let's see what you get. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take this Y and bring it over here. All right, let's see if I can do that. And I want to see if I can do it. So it's 50x minus 20x, which is 30x. I'm doing it different than the key, by the way. 50x minus 20x. 25y plus 10y is 35y. Again, don't be discouraged if it doesn't work out the way you want it to work out. 20z minus 20z, no z's. Then I get 715 minus 310. 504, 405. Okay? What I'm going to do now is divide by 5. You can get 6x plus 7y equals, and I'm going to do 5 into 405. That goes in 8, and then you get 5, 81 times. All right? Then I'm going to solve for y. That's going to be a tough one. So let's put y equals 81 minus 6x over 7. And I got to be careful now. I got to think. I got to get it divided by 7. Well, if x is 1, I'm going backwards now. If x is 1, you get 75. Right, so 75 is not good. So x equals 1 is not good. Let me get my eraser out. I'm kind of done with this business here. Let's see. Let me try 3. 2 doesn't seem to work, does it? 12. Nah, that's not working. Let's see 3 works. 81 minus 18. Let's see. Gee, that worked beautifully, didn't it? So if x is 3, y would be 9. All right? Didn't take much marching. I started at 1, went to 2, went to 3. Okay. I know it's exhausting. I got to go backwards now and forward on that number. See what I get. Let's write this down. X and Y. And let's try this. 3, 9, right? Do my little slope problem. Delta Y delta X minus 6 sevenths. and let's go to town. So let's take a look. So I'm going to go 9 down 6 would be 3, right? And 3 up 7 would be 10. And let me see if I can do something else with this. Can I do the reverse of that, which is 6 minus 7? So x minus, nah, that's not working. These are the only two. So I'm going to say these are the only two, but I still got to get the z, right? So I got x and y. I want to get the z now. And I'm going to pick an easy equation to do that, and I'm going to pick this one here. And let's write this down. I think it's an easy one, by the way. So what do you get? You would get, let's try the 3, 9 first. You get, I'm trying this. You would get 6 plus 2z equals 9 plus 31, which is 40, right? So you get 2z equals 34, or z would be 17. So this would give me z is 17. Let me try this one. Let's see how I do in that one over there. What would you get? You get 20 plus 2z, and then you would get 3 plus 31, which is 34, right? And then you get 2z equals 14, and z equals 7. All right, I think I got some answers over here, and let's write this down. So one of the answers I have is 3, 9, 17, and the other answer I have is 10, 3, 7. With the understanding, you have 50-cent pieces. I'm sorry, you have 50-cent pieces. So these are the 50-cent pieces. And the second one would have been the 25-cent pieces. And the third number is going to be the 20-cent pieces. All right, so let's see if we got the answer. And I'll look at it. Let's do this one first. And I see that here, 3 50-cent pieces, 9 5-cent pieces, and 17. That worked out good. Let's try this one over here. 10 50-cent pieces, 3 25-cent pieces, and 7 20-cent pieces. Things work out really nicely, all right? Again, I'm going to remind you again, I'm Ron Bannon. Email address is Bannon. Again, if you see something concerned, let me know about it, all right? Thank you.